And Dr. Roy, what is your take on what we're hearing Florida plans to do, ending all vaccine mandates? In fact, Florida's Surgeon General says vaccine mandates are wrong and immoral.
Thank you for having me on, Asieh. As a physician, a former primary care doctor, and a public health advocate, I am absolutely outraged at what I'm hearing. This is not only a sad day, this is a truly angering day for public health professionals and medical professionals like me. Let's be very clear what the facts are. Vaccines save lives. The World Health Organization has come out and said that the vaccines have saved over 150 million lives in the past 5 decades, mostly among babies, infants. The CDC has said that 4 million lives, 4 million deaths have been prevented each year by vaccines. What Florida has done right now by basically eliminating the need for the mandate of vaccines among children is that they are putting babies and children's lives at risk. Is particularly people that cannot get vaccinated, that are people who are immunocompromised. So we know that childhood vaccines, measles, mumps, rubella, diphtheria, they save lives. These are severe infections. These can cause severe infections, hospitalizations, and deaths, but vaccines can prevent them. And just be transparent, I've received all these vaccines. Almost all of my friends, my brother, family members. These vaccines save lives. I cannot be more clear about that, Asieh.
So what does this mean for people like us and our relatives and our children who are vaccinated? And if they're exposed potentially to people who are not, does that mean we're going to see a resurgence of these terrifying diseases that you just mentioned?
Asieh, we will. I guarantee you we are going to see in the coming months and years in Florida an outbreak in diseases that are preventable by vaccines. In fact, we're already seeing that in states like Texas, where they've had a severe outbreak of measles, and that outbreak is now spread to other states, including New Mexico and Oklahoma. And as a result, we've got about 4,500 people that are sick and 16 who have died, and almost, I believe, 90% of those cases are amongst people who are unvaccinated. This is a real problem. We've also seen outbreaks of polio and other vaccine preventable diseases. This is deeply concerning. I guarantee you parents of children who are vaccinated or for other medical reasons are unable to get vaccinated, they will be very concerned because now their children and maybe other family members will be at risk. But for the people that are vaccinated, continue to get vaccinated, continue to get your boosters. I do. Every year I get my flu shot. Every year I get the COVID vaccine booster, whatever's necessary, especially as healthcare professionals.
Yeah.
We need to get vaccinated. So
and I think another concern, Dr. Roy, apologies for interrupting you, but I think another concern is if Florida is going to do this, the first state in the country to do so, could Texas perhaps be next? And a lot of other red states are going to follow suit. And I think that's another big issue here.
It's absolutely an issue. It's a reality because who we have leading HHS, Health and Human Services, is a person who absolutely promotes vaccine lies. I know the word skepticism is used. He is promoting vaccine lies. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has earned millions of dollars in funding by promoting these lies, which are harming people. And as a result, for political reasons, not science-based reasons, for political reasons, I am deeply concerned that other states will follow suit, and this is only going to endanger the lives of innocent children and other human beings. Asieh, it's deeply concerning for many medical professionals.
Yeah, and I think a lot of the people in that congressional hearing today voiced the same concerns you have, questioning Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Dr. Roy, thank you so much.